Determine the output waveform for the given inputs. Like always, we're supposed to mark the changes first for each input waveform. Okay, this is my first transition, this is my second transition, this is my third transition, fourth, and this is the fifth one. Okay, let's take a look at the B waveform. We have first transition, this is the second one, and we have third one at this time and fourth one at this time. Next, we're supposed to look at each column separately and notice that we have logic 1 and logic 1. 1, 1 will give me 0, that's why I'm going to write over here 0. 0, 1, 0, 1, or let's say 1, 0 is going to give me 1. Please notice that anytime we talk about the negative OR gate, anytime I got 0 at the input, output automatically is going to be high. So when I have 0, output is high. I have 0, 0, output is high. I have 1, 0, output is high. I have 1, 1, output is 0. I have 0, 1, output is 1. And I have 0, 0, 0, 0, output is 1. I have 1, 0, output is 1. I have 1, 1, output is 0. And I have 0, 1, output is 1. Now I can draw the wave. I have ones, and I have 0. I have ones, I have 0, and I have 1. So this is my output waveform, and I can say this is the solution to my problem.